Hi, I'm Josh. I'm the founder of Level Press, and welcome to the shop. Thank you for taking the time to check out this tutorial. I hope that you find it very useful. If you would like some more information, comment below and we will be happy to give you a tutorial video on how to prep for anything that you might be dreaming of producing. Please don't forget to subscribe to our videos, share this video if you found it informative. Thank you very much and enjoy the tutorial.
Hey, this is Andrew with Level Press. Today we're going to be teaching you about spot colors and Pantone colors. We're going to be using spot colors here just to get our artwork set up, and so there's absolutely no confusion about what color ink you want printed on your design. So we already have our vector artwork here. This is the file from the vector artwork tutorial earlier, so you can use that. I'm going up here to outlines to show you that it is outline. It is a vector file, so we can edit it, we can change colors, we can change sizes, anything good like that. When we go over to swatches here, it's set to black, just the default black CMYK spot. That's not what we want. So we're going to go down here to this little library, click on that, go to color books, and you see all the Pantones listed here. There's quite a few, but just to keep it simple, we usually go with Pantone Plus Solid, coated or uncoated. You can use either one depending on what kind of ink you're using, what kind of look you're looking for. You can use this little search bar at the top to type in the numbers if you know them. You can also look around or type in colors, and sometimes they come up. Like we've got black here. It shows several different black options. It's also a nice pink 807C. That looks pretty cool. These are all spot colors. You can tell by the corner, the bottom right corner, it shows that white triangle with a little black circle in it. We know that we're using spot colors because when I go to print and output, it shows the Pantone I've selected. Down here at the bottom you can see that shows that we've picked the Pantone, all the artwork is set up that way, and it's going to be printed that way. So pretty simple. Have fun, pick out whichever colors you'd like, and if you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments. Thanks so much.